Hi, this is Raj from MR Sportscars. Here I've got an absolutely stunning Porsche 911 Carrera 4S Coupe. It's a 991 Gen 1 with the 3.8 litre flat 6, so non-turbocharged. Beautiful sounding engine with, as you can see, the very special and rare body kit, which is the factory Aerokit Cup Package. So that comes with the GTS front bumper, but it also has a more pronounced lower lip, which is painted. Much more aggressive at the front end, and at the back you have a twin pane rear fixed spoiler. So it has the ducktail and then it has this, and this is all from the factory. None of this is aftermarket. This is how it came from the factory. It's fully spec'd up with this. Over £24,000 worth of options on this car. The highest spec Carrera 4S we've ever come across in the 991 era. I'll go through the options. It's finished in Basalt Black Metallic, which, as you can see, is in absolutely stunning condition. We've fully machine polished and waxed this car. It's got the PDLS headlights, so these are directional cornering headlights. It's got the front and rear parking sensors, so there's the little sensors in the front and also in the back bumper as well. Has the sport design mirrors, so they have that little section there, which again come with the GTS and higher level Porsches as well. Turbo S's come with them, GT3s come with them as well, so very, very nice mirrors. And then the wheels are the 20-inch Carrera S wheels, finished in satin platinum with the black and white Crest centers, and also 5mm wheel spacers, so they sit perfectly in the wheel arches. Disc pads are all good all round, tyres are all good, they're all Pirelli P0 N1s. So there's the rear, and as you can see, it fills the arch perfectly with those wheels and the wheel spacer. 5mm wheel spacers front and rear, and they just, yeah, I think gives it the perfect stance and slightly better handling as well, because you've got a slightly wider wheelbase. Now the tailpipes are the sports tailpipes, so they have ridged inner edges, very subtle, but then also it is the switchable sports exhaust. So this has got all the performance related options. It's got the PTV Plus, which is the locking rear diff. It's got Sport Chrono Package Plus. It's got switchable sports suspension, PASM, PADM. Huge amount of options on the inside as well as that lovely glass panoramic sunroof there as well. So at the touch of a button you can have that on tilt, or you can have it fully open as well. Now the inside is very special again, because it's got the full extended leather, but also with red stitching, and also all the trims on the dashboard and the doors were spec'd to be in leather rather than a plastic finish or a carbon finish, so that makes it a very nice plush interior indeed. The center console was spec'd in brushed aluminium to match the optional aluminium PDK selector as well. So this is a 7-speed PDK, so that means that the 400 horsepower, 325 foot-pounds of torque is controlled and mated to that double clutch 7-speed gearbox, which works absolutely perfectly either in manual, full auto, or at any point you can change gears yourself as well. Through the optional steering wheel, actually, with also red stitching on it, you can change with the full-size metal paddles. This is the preferred steering wheel of this era from our experience. The seats are very special as well, because they're the full electric 14-way lumbar support, lumbar support, knee support, fully heated with full memory for the driver's side and for the steering column, so it remembers the position of the steering as well as the mirrors, all on your key, and the seat as well. And you get comfort entry and exit, so when you turn the car off you can have it move the driver's seat back, lift the steering wheel up so it's easier to get in and out, and then it returns to those positions when you get back in the car, put the key in the ignition. So there is the pano roof. I will open that at some stage if it doesn't start raining. The back has also been spec'd in a very, this is why it's £24,000 worth of options. So basically the back was also spec'd in extended leather. Now normally this is just like a leatherette, it's quite a thin fabric. This has been fully flocked in the same leather that you find in the front of the cabin, with that red stitching all across. And obviously, as you can see, it's got red seat belts as a spec as well. ISOFIX points at the back, and also it was optioned with ISOFIX at the front from the factory as well. Door entry guards are illuminated and in stainless steel, another option. BOSE as well, so you've got the full BOSE sound system. And then you've also got, as I said, heating, 2-zone climate control, and then all of the options for DAB, as well as the jukebox. Bluetooth audio streaming as well, so you can wirelessly stream audio from your phone, or you can charge it and connect it through that USB there. You've also got a 12-volt socket there, 12-volt socket down there, and also a 12-volt socket in the center armrest, which is also lovely. Got that lovely Porsche crest on it, just like the seats were spec'd with it as an option as well. So incredibly spec car with red dials as well. It's covered 41,619 miles, and we've just had the 12-year major service done. So that includes the PDK service, spark plugs, drive belt check, because it was done at the last service, the drive belt. Air filters, so that's quite important. The engine air filters are every 6 years, and quite often it's missed off, so we've made sure that they've been done at their 6-year interval, as at their 12-year interval, to make sure that it's fully up to date. So this car doesn't need anything for the next 2 years, so just a minor service in 2 years time, and we've obviously done the brake fluid at the same time as well. So this car is in fully maintained state. It was a full Porsche main dealer service history car as well, so extremely desirable. And as you can see, it looks absolutely sensational as well. Just love the look of it, especially with the black paintwork, the satin platinum wheels, and then you've also got that lovely Aerokit to further elevate exactly how it looks. Now I'll just show you the inside on this side. So you've got also the guard's red key there, you've got the memory system on the door there, BOSE system obviously highlighted there. Let me open up the roof. Let me show you actually the blind. So there is a sun blind that comes across, which is one touch electric as well. So I'll open that again. So there it is, opening up. Actually, let me start the car up so you can hear it exactly. So these 3.8s sound fantastic because they've got 400 horsepower, do 60 in around 4 seconds ish. With the Sport Chrono it's probably 3.9. Has launch control, has Sport, Sport Plus, and also launch control on this side, which light up when you press these buttons here. The Sport Chrono adds extra aggressiveness to the gear changes, as well as extra sensitivity to the throttle. It will change the stiffness of the drivetrain mounts as well. So there's a huge amount that goes on in the background when you press those buttons. So there's the sound of that switchable exhaust. So let me turn it off. So that's it off. Still sounds very good, but if I open it, it makes it extremely loud, ferocious, aggressive. So yeah, perfect sounding sports car. Sounds absolutely sensational no matter what mode you have the exhaust in. Has auto lights as well for those PDLS lights. Let me show you the sunroof on tilt, so you can just have it open, just that little bit at the back, just a little bit, let a little bit of air into the cabin, or you can open it up the full amount. So then it's got a wind deflector here that pops up, that opens up, lets lots of light and air into the cabin. So you get a great open air experience. It's very similar to the Targa setup in the 997 Gen 2s actually, having that glass roof there. I'll just show you the boot and the, so there is the engine bay, and I'll show you the front boot. That's all you get to see is the cooling fans and the oil and coolant top up. And then at the front all in beautiful condition, as you can see, as new. Tyre gel on that side, warning triangle, set of tools, towing eye, locking wheel bar, all in that section there. And then under here you've got the Porsche battery. Yeah, it's original Porsche battery, and tyre compressor there as well, the original equipment. So everything is as it should be. This car has a fully stamped original service book. It has invoices as well as 2 keys, the full manual pack with all the manuals and everything else. But just look at it, it looks, I think, absolutely spot on with all the bits it has. And that lovely wide body with that light bar that lights up when you've got the headlights or side lights on. You'll see that light up. Beautiful shape. Still that classic 911 instantly recognizable shape, still with the naturally aspirated engine. After this era, so later than 2015, they went to a 3-litre twin turbo, which in my opinion doesn't sound as nice as these naturally aspirated 3.8s, and they're not a huge amount of money to tax either each year. So yeah, a great car if you're looking for a Porsche 911. So here is the full spec of the car. This is available to view on our website as a PDF. It's got, I think, 15 X codes, so a huge amount of factory options. As I said, £24,000 all of this stuff adds up to, so very much the highest specification we've seen on a Carrera 4S, because it would have been overlapping turbos and Turbo S's in terms of its actual cost price when new. We've done a full diagnostics check as well to make sure it hasn't been over rev beyond so 4, 5 and 6 are the ones, but actually PDKs are protected so you can't sort of miss shift, so we still check to make sure it hasn't been excessively near the red line. It's only been near the red line for around 3 seconds its whole life, which is very low. And then we do an engine hours check to make sure that the car hasn't been clocked, and the average speed implied by that check is absolutely spot on as well, so everything correlates with the maintenance history as well as the car. And then we also do a full VIN check with the car electronically. Engine number, everything is double checked against the documentation as well as physically on the car, so everything is as it should be in that sense, and that shows that record being done. And then we map out the full history, so it's supplied February 2014 Porsche Bournemouth, then service 2015 Guildford, 2017 Aberdeen, 2019 Aberdeen, 2021 York, 2024 Porsche Sheffield, and then we've done the full major service, which is the big 12-year one, a major service with oil, pollen and air filters, dry belt checks, spark plugs, brake fluid change, aircon service as well as a PDK service. So, and then we've got invoices here as well. So absolutely perfect spec, perfect maintenance history, and as you can see, perfect condition as well. So it really is an absolute gem. Absolutely thrilled to have been offered this beautiful car, and looking forward to finding a new owner for it as well to enjoy it for many more miles. If you are interested in this beautiful 991, oh, let me just show you the dashboard actually, because I didn't go through that. So on the dashboard you have this LCD screen, and you can select what you view there. So you can have how much power is being sent to the front wheels versus the rear. You can use the stopwatch as well. You can see your G-forces and also maximum G-forces. And also you can check the oil level and also the service interval. So it's next due a major service September 2029, next due a minor September 2027, and next oil change is also September 2027. So as I said, lots of time left before you need to do any maintenance on this car. Now let me just show you the overall look once more. But if you are interested in this beautiful 991 Carrera 4S Aerokit, please don't hesitate to get in touch. Thanks for watching.